Hey everyone, welcome. Happy President's Day. Maybe you're off work. I hope that you are and relaxing. Have a great Monday today. The market is closed, but I wanted to talk about real quick about a stock that I've been asked about from quite a few people. In my Discord, there's a lot of talk about this stock already. I've seen it and I have not commented on it in my Discord on this specific stock. People on my Discord are free to talk about whatever they want. They share ideas with each other and so on. And then when it comes to me, as you know, what I do is I let them know what I think I would want to trade. Personally speaking, for me, and obviously I have, you can ask me questions, I answer back, we talk, we have a lot of fun. It's really cool. We've become a nice community, a nice family, and so on. But I've seen a lot of members on my Discord talking about Troika Media, right? And a few sent me some messages on Patreon and direct message and basically asking me, Mike, what do you think? Should I buy this or should I not? We want to know your opinion. So I did tell them my opinion. I'll also make it into a YouTube video and we'll talk about it in this video.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
Before I begin, this is a screenshot from my Discord just to get an idea. One of the latest things I had talked about was INDI, ticker symbol INDI, and it was at $9.29 that I had said I would buy it at $9.29. Currently, the stock in just a few days later is at $10.15, so amazing. It's an amazing gain, it's great, and Indie Semiconductor Corporation is one that I believe in the long term. I think it's going to turn out really, really good. I think it's going to turn out, it's going to be a good company. And at the very least, I think that Indy can hit $14, right? So from $9.29 to $10.15 is great, but I think it can go to $14. And overall, I think it's they made some really good moves lately. All right, we're going to talk about Troika Media Group Incorporation. Now, this company is a stock. I talked about this company before. Basically, what I want to say, I made a video about Troika Media Group Incorporation back before it even went public, and I made two videos actually on Troika Media Group Incorporation before it had gone public on the market. So check those out if you want to know more about who this company is and what it does. As I won't go into that level of detail in this video since I've already done two videos on it. Troika Media Group Incorporation operates as a brand consulting and marketing agency specializing in the entertainment and sports media sectors worldwide. So that's that. And here's one of the videos that I had done. One was over a year ago. I had given it then evaluation score of 2 out of 5. Now, mind you that this was a video that was done before it went public. And I said that I don't think it's a buy. Right? Was I right? Yeah, if you look at it share-wise, on the stock, yes, I was right, because all it did was just go down. Sure, there were some pops along the way, but overall, just, people would have lost money if they were to hold on to this. All right, so has anything changed since then? Well, the stock is trading at 25 cents in the after hours that it closed. One person who is from Germany is in my Discord said today in the German market that they see it going up. And I actually believe that on Tuesday, let me just say right off the bat, that tomorrow on Tuesday, Troika Media Group will open in pre-market or, during pre-market, that it will be trading higher than 25 cents. I really believe that that will happen. Now, I could be wrong, but I think it will. That does not mean that this is an automatic buy for me. I'm going to explain some things here. Watch this. I'm going to show you something. Let me show you real quick something here. Now, this isn't my information, but I did check it out, and it's actually true. This is true. This is from Collective Trader, and he posted that Troika trying to pick up the pace, send a follow. Current status. 53.8 million shares held and verified, 83% of OS outstanding shares held and verified. Basically, guys, the shares outstanding on Troika Media right now is 67.8 million shares outstanding. But about 54 million, let's say, shares out of those 67.8, 54 million shares are held by a very handful of people, insiders. That's scary. I don't like that, to be honest. I really don't like that. And I'll explain at the end what I think will happen with the stock based on this information, right? Also, if you look at it on Seeking Alpha, if you don't want to look at what Collective Trader came up with, you can look at it on Seeking Alpha. It won't tell you exactly who, but insiders comprise most of the shares. Insiders, institution, corporations, but basically the insiders. There's a lot of insider ownership on this. Insiders have control to dump and destroy this. Now, we can say some positive things also. Let's look at the positive side of this company. The positive side on this company is that they're increasing customers and organic sales growth massively. Very massively. It's huge. Some customers, including big fortune companies that, according to the company, according to Troika Media, they say some of their customers are Amazon, Allergan, Lululemon, Coty, Nike, WWE, Sony, etc. And as a matter of fact, from 2020 to 2022, the cash on hand increased by more than 1,300%, which is true. Company is growing and has enough cash in hand to further acquire new business models. Yeah, but there is something. Look at this. The earnings have been awesome. All right. Now, this green dots is when the earnings were coming out for the company. Every time they had earnings and so on. Here, this third dot was $85 million in earnings, which was smashing records and was considered all-time breaking records and amazing and so on. What happened to the stock? It just went downwards. And then they came here, the fourth dot, $120 million in revenues. Again, new record for the company. Amazing. Held is great and stunning. What happened to the stock? Went downwards. Every time they have earnings, the stock just goes down, 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 down. Why? What's going on? Well, one thing is, like I said, a handful of people own like 80% of the shares of this company. Like 30 people own 80% of the shares of this company, right? And that's not good. The other thing is, why isn't smart money pouring into this company if they're breaking records and smashing records and doing better and better every time in earnings? The debt is climbing at a very scary rate, very scary. The latest information we have on the total debt of this company is that it went up 689%. Right? Used to be 2.4 million. It's now at 78, nearly $79 million. What's next? Is it going to go even more? Is it going to go another 800% up, 600, 500% up? What's going on with the debt? They're going out of control, right? It's not huge, I get it, but percentage-wise, it is huge, right? So that's that. If we look at the revenue side, well, in 2018, which it doesn't show here, 2018 they had $14 million in revenue, and then they jumped up to 40 million in 2019. Then it goes down to 24 in 2020, 2021 to $16 million, and then just spikes all the way up to $116 million in 2022. A very uneven, as uneven is the revenue, the debt though just goes straight up every year. So that's I guess maybe what some people might think about and why they're not pouring in a lot of money and what's going on. The forecast though is bullish by analysts. They give it a $1.52 to $1.58 high. So they do believe they can go higher. Starting Tuesday tomorrow, where is Troika Media Group going? Like I said earlier in this video, I think that the stock will trade higher. So if it trades higher, am I bullish on it? No, I'm not. I'm not bullish on the stock. I'm not bullish on the company. I wish the company the best, and I hope the company in the future does become great and amazing. And that's what I want. I want to see Troika Media Group prove me more consistency, lower their debt, better financials, better fundamentals, and so on. So far, they don't have that, and I don't like the insiders owning so much percent of that stock. Is scary. The other thing is that I feel that what's going to happen is that the stock is going to go upwards starting Tuesday. Possibly for the next 1 week, 2 weeks, this stock is going to ride upwards, which would be great for those who want to swing trade or day trade this stock. But overall, I think that at some point these insiders are going to dump the stock because they're going to be making they're going to make big gains out of the stock going upwards, and then after that, let it go and naturally end at some point to a reverse stock split. Because as far as public offering is concerned, I think the company said that they won't do that. I'm not saying the company is behind a pump and dump thing. I didn't say that, right? Don't write that in the comment section. But when you have that many insiders and a stock that just goes downwards with every record-breaking revenues, I don't think I can trust it right now. But I can trust the stock if I want to do, my personal opinion, of course, if I want to do a quick day trade or quick swing trade with this, I think that I can do that. That's just my opinion. Doesn't mean it's true. Like I said, don't copy me. Don't use this video as your due diligence. You have to do your own homework and so on. But I think that I can make a quick trade out of this. I do not own shares in Troika Media so far, but I do not trust the stock yet. I want more consistency out of this company and better fundamentals. And I don't like the fact that so many handful of outside insiders are in control of basically what they would do with my investment. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best. Take care.